Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. In today's video, I'll show you concept design of the pick-and-place mechanism. Pick-and-place mechanism designed to ease the displacement of objects from one position to another. Pick-and-place automation speeds up the process of picking up parts, or items and placing them in other locations. Automating this process helps to increase production rates. Download the 3D model link you can find in description. Enjoy watching.